In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a social media post in Adobe Express. Whether you're designing for Instagram, Facebook, or another platform, the process is quick, visual, and beginner-friendly. For this demo, I'll focus on an Instagram post, but everything I'm doing here translates easily to other sizes and platforms. Start by searching for templates for social media. In Adobe Express, head to the Templates section and use the search bar to type in what you need. Try Instagram post or Facebook post. This helps you find designs that are already sized correctly, so you don't have to worry about cropping later. Browse through the options and look for a template that fits your message, whether it's a promo, a quote, a product shot, or an event. I'll choose an Instagram template to keep things simple and square. Once the template is open, edit the text to match your content. Click on any headline or paragraph and replace the placeholder text with your own. Aim for a short, clear headline and keep body text minimal so it stays readable on mobile. Use alignment tools to center or left-align text consistently and adjust line spacing if things feel cramped. If your post needs a call to action, keep it concise and high contrast so it stands out. Next, upload images or choose from Adobe Express's free photo library. You can drag in a photo from your device, then crop, rotate, or reposition it to fit the design. If your background is busy, consider adding a semi-transparent shape behind your text to improve readability. You can also use the Remove Background tool on a subject to create a cleaner, more modern look. If you want to add icons or stickers, search by keyword and pick elements that support your message without cluttering the layout. Resize them thoughtfully and lower opacity if they compete with your text. Stickers can add personality, but use them sparingly so your design remains polished. Now customize colors, fonts, and layout to match your style. Choose a color palette that reflects your brand or theme and maintain good contrast. Dark text on a light background or vice versa. Pair one bold font with a simple secondary font to create hierarchy. Adjust spacing between elements and keep margins even so nothing feels cramped along the edges. Use guides to align objects and maintain a clean visual rhythm. Give everything a final once-over for clarity and balance. When it looks cohesive and readable, you're done. That's how to create a social media post in Adobe Express, fast and with confidence.